Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Versa brake light. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new 7440 brake light bulb. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process for your brake light. Now, let's access the tail light. Open your trunk to locate the two Phillips head screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body. It might feel snug, but a firm, steady pull will release it from its clips. With the tail light assembly free, you can now replace the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the largest one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old 7440 bulb by pulling it directly from the socket. Insert your new 7440 bulb firmly into the socket until it clicks into place. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the vehicle body until it snaps into place. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.